This is the Genesis G80. The navigation system in the Genesis G80 offers many in-depth features to help personalize your in-vehicle guidance. To open the map on your navigation system, press the Map button located on the center console. Navigation Map View can be accessed by pressing the diamond compass icon on the screen. The map display settings for the navigation can be set here, including North Up 2D, Heading Up 2D, Heading Up 3D, Neon, and Neon Wide. North Up 2D locks the navigation map in place with the north direction as the fixed reference at the top. Heading Up 2D locks the vehicle icon in place and automatically rotates the navigation map according to which direction the vehicle is facing. Heading Up 3D displays buildings or local landmarks in a 3D perspective on the map. The map will automatically rotate based on which way the vehicle is facing in 3D view. Neon 3D displays the navigation route with neon visual elements to provide the drivers with an immersive and intuitive experience. Neon Wide provides a larger and wider perspective to the navigation route, utilizing more of the G80's display screen. 2D and 3D navigation view modes can also be set by pressing Setup, Navigation, Map, Map Mode, and then Map View. Here you can set 2D or 3D viewing modes for daytime or nighttime and receive notifications when map view modes change. Once the map is loaded on the screen, it can be easily navigated by swiping your finger on the screen to zoom in or out. This can also be done by rotating the infotainment controller to the left or right. The map auto scale settings allow for different zoom levels based on vehicle speed, such as zooming out when on the highway or zooming in when navigating tight city streets. Customization options include map font size, map color, point of interest selections, vehicle icon color, and the speed-dependent auto scaling settings. To set the automatic scaling feature on from the map, press the scale icon located on the left side of the menu option in the map. When the icon displays the word Auto, it is now set to automatically scale the map based off of the vehicle speed. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.